Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Edge. Today we will talk about something very important, how to speak English without fear. Are you ready, Sarah?
Yes, Harun, but I always feel nervous when speaking English. I make many mistakes.
Don't worry, Sarah. Everyone makes mistakes at first. The secret is simple. Start small and practice daily.
Small, what do you mean?
I mean, start with 1 to 2 sentences every day. For example, you can say, "Good morning, how are you?" to your friend. Repeat it 3 times a day.
Oh, that's easy. Can I also try with my family?
Yes, absolutely. You can say, "I am fine, thank you." And you? Practice with your parents or siblings.
Okay, I will try today, but I still feel shy.
Shyness is normal. Remember, mistakes are good. Each mistake teaches you something new. Confidence comes with practice.
Wow, that sounds motivating. I will practice daily.
Great. Remember, everyone, the first step is the hardest. But if you start small and practice every day, you will speak English confidently. Thank you for listening to English Edge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.
Thank you, Harun.